Yeah, guys, and we know that dozens of families across the state are still facing that devastation from the wildfires that started 10 days ago. Now, Oklahoma Baptist Disaster Relief says they're just hoping to be a helping hand for those in need.
A lifetime of memories gone up in flames.
It's gut-wrenching at times.
So Oklahoma Baptist Disaster Relief is right alongside the victims following major devastation.
You just want to come in and offer some hope and some help.
As families across our state were met with one of their worst days.
They've lost their home, but they've lost memories, they've lost those things, and so and it's heartache.
You'll remember the flames swept across Oklahoma nearly 2 weeks ago, leaving ashes and heartbreak.
The smoke was so thick, it was unlike anything I've ever seen.
Oklahoma Baptist Disaster Relief says they've been boots on the ground from the beginning. They fed hundreds of families last week, and now their mission Monday is to help with cleanup efforts.
We come in and remove all the ash and all of that from the property. We help sift through to see if there's anything that can be saved or salvaged from the fires.
And they also offer emotional and spiritual assistance to help guide families in this time of need.
Many folks don't have any place to turn, and the cost to do some of these things is astronomical, and to be able to come in and offer that type of help to a homeowner, what it does, it just provides them some hope in the midst of uncertainty.
And the Oklahoma Baptists aren't necessarily looking for any more volunteers, but they say if you'd like to make a monetary donation, you can do so on their website. Reporting live from the newsroom, Megan Mosley, KOCO 5 News.